The iScale is the easiest and simplest way to manage your weight from home. Once you have taken your reading, your results will be automatically sent back to your healthcare provider or care team in real time, allowing them to make data-backed decisions and help keep you healthy. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to set up your device and take successful and accurate readings. To set up your iScale, open the battery door located at the back of the iScale and simply insert the 4 AA batteries provided. Place the iScale on the ground. It will automatically turn on within 10 seconds thanks to the Sense On technology, indicating that the iScale is ready to go. Measuring your weight is as simple as stepping on your iScale barefoot. Stand still and maintain full contact with the iScale. The weight data on the LCD will blink twice, indicating that the weight reading has been locked. Remember to only use your iScale on a hard surface to ensure precise measurements. The iScale effortlessly connects with the built-in, private cellular data network that automatically sends your reading to your healthcare provider or care team upon completion. When your weight is locked in and successfully sent, the large LCD display will light up with an OK sign and a box with an up and down arrow on it. With this automatic data transfer, there will be no more forgotten or unsent readings to your healthcare provider. There are other helpful symbols and indicators on the iScale. The kg, STLB, and LB symbols indicate kilogram, stone, or pound units of measurement. To choose your preferred measurement unit, press the unit switch button on the back of the iScale to switch between pounds, kilograms, and stones until you find the desired unit displayed on the screen. The battery symbol lets you know your battery status. The cellular bars will show you the status of your signal strength. The symbol of the paper with clock on it shows that you have a pending transmission, and the SIM card icon alerts you to SIM card status. If you see an error code on the screen, please refer to your user manual for more information. Take quick, easy, accurate weight measurements from the comfort of your home with the iScale.